Since doing the vocational qualification, it's enhanced my career massively. I began working in health and social care in 2012. I started because I was doing health and social care in college, and that made me want to actually work with people and put theory into practice. My drive and passion definitely came from my mum in the beginning, and then my college lecturers, they were definitely my drive later.
Yeah, I've definitely seen Lorna grow over the course. She was very quiet, hardly spoke to me, I think, for the first year, and she's developed into a very competent and confident professional.
My dream was to be a learning disability nurse. However, I think I'm going to carry on going further with the management level and increase my experience within the setting, and then hopefully find a position right for me higher up as a manager.